Hello, and welcome to the Pr3ss3D demonstration. Before initiating the walkthrough, I want to establish the conceptual framework behind what you're about to see. Pr3ss3D is built on a fundamentally different information architecture than the major social media platforms. Instead of algorithmic amplification, behavioral profiling, or machine-driven feed optimization, Pr3ss3D uses a deterministic user-controlled model. Content exposure is governed solely by observable metadata and explicit user choice. The prototype you're about to see is intentionally minimal. The aesthetics and feel of the controls are unrefined. The goal is to reveal the core mechanics, the tagging structure, the filtering logic, and the dynamic channel generation system. The posts in this demo are not designed to impress. They're placeholders. The real value lies in understanding how the system organizes information, how it surfaces content without personalized algorithms, and how it preserves user autonomy through transparent logic. Observe the following demonstration not as a consumer, but as an analyst. Look for how the metadata produces channel definitions, how user actions deterministically alter the feed, how content categories propagate through the interface, and how the system maintains context without surveillance. With that in mind, let's begin. This is My Community, a scoped feed containing content only from authenticated user connections. Think your friends and family. Switching to Surf produces no change because the system has no additional active channels to merge. This is expected behavior for first-time use. Browse exposes one globally sourced item. It is intentionally non-personalized. It's randomized. The tag interface reveals the metadata associated with this content, a creator identifier, and 1 to 3 topical descriptors. Selecting a tag triggers the dynamic channel generation process. The tag becomes an active filter. Rotating to the new channel displays only content whose metadata intersects with the selected tag. Deselecting the tag removes the filter, removes the channel. Reactivating the tag reintroduces the channel. And scrolling reveals additional matching posts. This is the next item within that filtered set. Opening the tag interface again, I select an additional descriptor. This appends another dynamic channel. Rotating to that channel displays content with overlapping metadata. Closing the interface. Scrolling reveals the next content item, a video. Video playback executes inline without context switching.
You think you can just erase the truth? But let me tell you, you can't hide this forever. Data deletion at state labs? It's not just a mistake, it's a cover-up.
This next item is a long-form article. It remains within the vertical flow. Next, another video. And another long-form piece. This is a slideshow component. Frame advancement occurs on tap. Returning to My Community demonstrates that the system incorporates newly seen items into the recency ordering. Surf now merges My Community items with active channels. Browse displays items outside the selected metadata spectrum. Selecting the creator tag elevates the creator to a dedicated channel. This channel contains only that creator's items. In this case, a single item already viewed. And back to my community. And that concludes the functional demonstration. Pr3ss3D is not merely another social app. It's a structural redesign of digital information systems. Its advantages include transparent content selection logic, deterministic feed collection, zero algorithmic amplification, metadata-driven categorization, user-directed discovery pathways, and a non-surveillant, non-extractive business model. For subscribers and creators, at $2.25 monthly or $24 yearly, your subscription today enables the next two critical milestones. At 50,000 subscribers, we can release an initial minimum product release, an MVP. At 350,000 subscribers, we can release the full featured app and ecosystem. This model eliminates intrusive advertising, behavioral manipulation, and data exploitation while providing businesses, creators, and the wider public precisely what drives each to digital communities. It is structurally aligned with user well-being, autonomy, and universal public interest. For investors, if you recognize the long-term market instability inherent with intention optimization platforms, and you understand the demand for authentic, privacy-centric alternatives, then Pr3ss3D presents a high potential return profile with strong defensibility rooted in architecture, not hype. If you'd like to evaluate the deeper mechanics, economics, or roadmap projections, I'd welcome the conversation. And that concludes our demonstration. Thank you.